my niggas, we doing the most. Grams on the table, yeah, I been gone. At the base and shorty, she trumping it up.
Oh, tell me, now I'm on the way down.
Okay, when I'm like, she stopping, stop at the light. These rappers, they copy it right. Get dressed and pop out of the night. Too trim, I got him enticed.
Yeah.
I don't trust myself. Yeah. So good. I got more. Whatever wants. Blueberry, I got more.
I'm not gonna lie, cupcakes before we go to PJ. Come on, man. Cupcakes for everybody.
Man, going up.
I love the money and the money love me. I love the money and the money love me. Forever.
You got some?
Long time. Y'all know what the fuck on. Another day in the life. Another day in the life. Shout out Roll Out Boys. Another day in the life.
Hey, they did say Roll Out Boys got a money glitch.
What the fuck is they talking about?
I promise you, like, it just happened, bro.
I get the whole. Tell me how much you spent in New York last week.
No, I gotta get the whole.
I know.
The 3, 2, 1.
Uh-oh. Come on. Touchdown. Ooh! Yeah, buddy. Running like a big shot. 7-2. Guess she ride good? Yeah, she ride good. Yeah, George. Yeah, Adam. Ain't flexing no more, but good. Let's get to the cab, man. World Wide Boy shit.
Shit going on. We just landed. Ready to get shit popping. You know what I'm saying?
I don't give a fuck what a bitch gotta say. I look at my phone who I'm hitting it.
He said he needed. So what you think, man?
Hey, man. Second call for the weekend, and can't complain.
Wow.
It's way better than the fucking M340, in my opinion. This shit'll get up. I want to take that trip to the ball wash. Yeah. Let's go, like, after this.
We back in this motherfucker. You already know the fucking stacks of racks in this motherfucker. We got Roll Out Boys, bro. We got Miami. We doing bags, you know. Doing big shit. You know what I'm saying? Just a little light. But we finna go up.
Yeah, we in a whole nother state with it. A whole nother state with it. Yeah, we in Skyami.
Skyami.
I'm about to see some crazy ass.
Miami.
I ain't even gonna say too much. I'm about to see all this shit.
Me and Skyami on the same shit, man. We bringing the DMV to Skyami. Y'all know what the fuck happened. Green. Y'all know what the fuck going on. We about to go on that motherfucking strip. We about to go find fine shit. We about to find shit, twin. Bring him on the yacht. You know what I'm saying? Try to have a party. Bring him back to the spot.
Like that.
But nah, for real though, we trying, you know, vibe, see what's going on, see what the vibes got going on. This shit loud as fuck. Trying to see what the vibes got going on and shit like that. Then we going, you know, probably go to the club, hopefully go to Booby Trap, hopefully see some Latinos. No tortas.
No tortas.
No tortas.
Very far tortas.
But now we gone.
It's just a regular day. Oh, let me cover the Azure right now. We got the Dom, we about to boat. We got shit going on. We got the land, we got the lick. Come on.
Are we leaving?
Yes, come on. Give me your name.
Where's it at?
They're waiting for us. How you doing? Make a nigga. How you doing? Is this the 82 food?
How are you?
Still waiting on the shoe folks. That's it.
Dale, ya te la paso. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Do you want to put separate? No, it's fine. That's clear. Is that new? Is that new?
How long does it take you dog?
The back?
The dog. Yeah.
Here is like
I just wanted to put our stuff on a boat. Come back in.
Okay, y'all. We in Miami on an 82. I'm in Poochie. Hold on. Let me show you the rest of the crew. Hey, Feliz. All right. Tour. We got the bar. Now we gotta go down to this bitch. Room 1. Room 2. I mean bathroom. Holy shit. Room. Bathroom. Now if y'all will follow me back up. We got the outside.
We in Miami turning up another night. We smoking broccoli, but she smelling like a ride. I'm in a penny trying to get out in a cry. Friends are my friends, they trying to get guy.
No flash, real ice, nigga.
Yeah, not the moisturize shit.
Hi vlog, my name is Kazaria, Keziarra. Follow me on Instagram.
Okay, Kazaria, so what do you be doing? Like, what do you do for a living?
Right now I'm a CNA. I'm in nursing school, guys.
So what would you say to anybody out there that wants to join your CNA? That's scared of joining?
Just listen. Like if you have a heart for like people in general, just do it.
How long have you been doing it for?
I've been a year now. It's a year now. Yes.
That's what's up.
Yeah. Keep doing it, guys. Just go. Keep going. You'll like it.
Miami doing our thing, man. You already know the fuck going on.
Traffic, more on bags, count that cheese, baby. I ain't one of them, I'm a different breed, baby. You want something on the lot, come get your keys, baby. Switching lanes, draw the talk. Feel the breeze, let me talk. I'ma put you in Dior when you with me, we steppin', baby. Everybody balls is nothing but rich niggas in my section, baby. We turned up and we super lit. Got plenty motion, yeah, clothes, no. Don't get fed, baby, come bust it over. I was counting about a broke bitch talking shit on the money line. Get in the car with me, tell me, coming on.
He is done.
Baby, them niggas can't fuck with me, baby. Catch a fucking song.
Thank you. He's not fucking with us.
He not.
He's not fucking with us. He's tired of these niggas already. We are cooked.
Oh yeah. Just a little bit, just a little
But
bit.
who gonna get? Let's see who gonna be the drunkest tonight. Bro
Oh
or
yeah,
Jill?
we gotta get everybody take a shot real quick.
Bro or Jill? Everybody take a shot.
Yeah, everybody take a shot.
We need something. We need cups, something.
Nah, for real. Let me ask. Do you guys have cups? You guys have cups?
The cups, yes, I will bring everything. So to give me just 1 second, I will
Okay.
send this with
Okay.
Y'all heard that? You know what I'm saying?
Tell us on screen, don't make my knees off. Nigga, you finna make a play, don't get bit dog. I'm a bit dog. Rollin' too cold to stop me, can't take my wrist off.
Hey.
Nigga, daddy taught that pussy boy to come and show me.
Okay, driver. Okay, driver.
Gotta get in that wheel.
Yeah. Man, Adam was pushing that motherfucker yesterday. He not trying to drive again.
We getting a whole nother car today.
Yeah, we gonna tap it with y'all in a little bit, man.
She's the man. He the man with a plan. The vision with a man. You know, bands in the hand. Oh.
How you doing, y'all? It's behind the scenes of Worldwide Boy. Dark skinned nigga about to hop in the pool, man.
Jill, you gotta jump in the pool.
We throwing Jill when he gets in it.
How deep do we go down there?
It's not deep. It's just like 4 feet.
I don't know what the fuck going on, man.
God help me, don't let me drop this in the water.
That shit deep. That shit like 4 feet in the middle.
Low key.
No,
low
go in
key.
the middle. Go in the middle. Keep going. Yeah, right. Exactly. She started. Oh. She from that dip.
I'm not trying to get my hair wet. That's why.
Hold on. I'm about to get to that side. No push.
No good?
I'm standing up.
Oh yeah.
If I like to fit on it, I'm getting it.
Oh yeah.
If I like to fit on it, I'm getting
We
it.
in the yams and he learned how to swim.
I'm about to.
Oh, I didn't see y'all there, man. Just chilling, man. Living luxury. This another perks of just being with Worldwide Boys, man. Y'all get a fucking jacuzzi in Miami, man. Shit. What's going on tonight?
We just put on our shit. We just tried.
Cause you was just asleep for a little minute though.
just sleep. The jury just woke me up. I'm saying.
You don't even need the flash for that. It's already shining.
Shit, icy.
Yeah, you know it. Okay, guys, you got him in the cut, man.
Solutions, baby. I already know what the fuck going on, man. Worldwide Boys run solutions. We really in. I'm saying we still busting plays, still in the MIA. Shit don't happen.
It's only a light day. So you said this Winwood.
Yes, sir.
Hey, we got J Cam.
Yes, sir. Finally getting the vlog.
You know what I'm saying?
That's a fucking GTR.
Good eye, good eye, good eye.
Whoa. Shawty a better, she belong to me. She got a fatty, I'm paying the lease. Bought in the jet and we going to Greece.
What's up, y'all? Monday, end of the weekend. Finishing off the weekend in Miami. Feel me? We had a great weekend. Did content, went out, doing our day. You already know Worldwide Boys Pool Party coming. We got a lot of shit coming, so y'all just stay tuned, man. Y'all just keep up with the content.